Hello, welcome to S.1 Mathematics. Today we are still looking at place values and we are on example 4. Example 4 says, state the place value of each digit in the numbers below. And the first number is 3059. We are going to follow the same way of stating the place values of numbers or place values of digits in a given number. And as we all know, we start from the extreme A in here. And we know that this number at the extreme end, that position is position of ones. So the place value of 9 in this case is ones. And what is the implication of that? This implies that in this number there are 9 ones, or ones are occurring 9 times. And then we come to the second number here, which is 5. This position is for tens. So the place value for 5 in this case is tens. This tells us that there are 5 tens, or tens are there 5 times. And then we come to 0. The place value for 0 in this case is hundreds. Why? Because 0 is located in the position which has been assigned to hundreds. This means that in this number we have 0 hundreds, or simply there are no hundreds in this number. So we have 0 hundreds, or hundreds are occurring 0 times, which implies that they are not occurring at all. And then we come to 3. This position is for thousands. That means in this number there are 3 thousands, or thousands are occurring 3 times. So the implication is what we have explained. That is the implication of how you assign place values. Let's go to example B. Number B. B is 8148140. And this method doesn't change. How you state the place values will always remain the same. You will always start from the extreme A, from the very side of 2. Now, the first position from that side is taken by ones. Therefore, here now the place value for 2 is ones. This implies that in this number, ones are occurring 2 times. Or simply you can just say 1 is occurring 2 times. So if there are 2, that's why we call them ones. There are many. And then we come to 0. We just look at the position. That position is the position for tens. That is the place for tens. Therefore, the place value for 0 in this case is tens. And then we come to 4. 4 is in the position of hundreds. That implies that there are 4 hundreds. This one for 0 implies that there are 0 tens, or actually in that number there are no tens. And then we come to 1, position of thousands, which says that in this number we have 1000, or thousands are appearing 1 time. And then we come to 8, which is the last number for this part, is in position of 10,000s. 10,000s. So the place value for 8 in that case is 10,000. That means 10,000s are occurring 8 times, or there are 8 10,000s in that number, and that is simply how you get the place values. Feel free, you can pause the video and then you try out part C. Part C is 670067. You can stop the video, work out the solution, and then you recite the implications of those place values. Then you come back, you replay the video, and then you check if your answers are correct. So let me go on. We start from here. This extreme n is for ones, which tells us that there are 7 ones. This position is for tens. Thus it tells us the same thing, that in this number there are 6 tens. Then we come to 0. Zeros are in position of hundreds. That means this number does not contain hundreds. If it contains hundreds, then there are 0 hundreds. And then we come to thousands. This also tells us that this number does not contain thousands. If it does, then there are 0 thousands. And then we come to 7. This is a position of 10 thousands. That means here in this number we have 7 10,000s. And then you come to 6. This is position of 100 thousands, which implies that in that number there are 600,000s. Yeah, so this is the solution for our example 4. When you are doing these numbers, make sure you start from the first video, go to the second sequentially. As you are noting down, get your summary book, get your exercise, and make sure you record everything that we are doing. You record the question and the numbers, even the solutions, so that in case you would like to refer to it, you just open your book and then you revise the same things. Otherwise, thank you for listening. See you in the next class. Bye.